harvesting. Let's do this. Okay. We're here, guys. Okay, we're starting here. All right. Hey, ayan grapes, guys. Oh, ayan, we're gonna start harvesting grapes. This one. Ayan, ang daming bunga. So, para siyang blueberries. Oh my God. Okay, we're gonna harvest now. Guys, did you see the grapes? So, matagalan tayo dito. Kasi we're harvesting grapes. Ayan. Ito ng grapes, guys. Ayan, guys, oh. Ayan, guys. Ay, sus, ginoo ko. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Harvesting grapes. Ayan, medyo matagalan tayo. Kasi we're harvesting grapes. Ayan, guys. The grapes. Ayan. Ayan, ang dami ng hinog. Time to harvest. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Grapes. Ang tamis nito, guys. Ayan, tingnan pa natin. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, dito, guys. Ayan. Ayan, ang daming grapes. Ayan. Ah. Oh, there is it. Pancit. Ayan. Ito, guys. Oh. Ayan. Did you see that, guys? Grapes. So, we're harvesting now. Oh, so many. Wala, ang dami doon sa loob. Oh, kaya lang. Baka may snake. Kaya lang, baka may snakes. Ayan. 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 Right there. Ayan. Ayan, guys. Ayan. So, lipat tayo. Ay, come on, baby. We will looking. Ooh. Ooh la la. Tiny man. Here. Right there. Ayan, ang tamis nito. Wala. Grabe ang tamis nito. Ayan. Ayan. Wala, ang dami. Ang dami sa loob. Kaya lang, hindi ko maabot. Ayan. Sandali, guys. Ayan, yan ang ginagawang wine. Oo, sisi. Oo, tama, sis. Ang tamis nito. From wine grapes. Ayan. Uy. Ayan, ala, ang dami, oh. Ayan, sis, oh. Ayan, oh. Ayan, hindi ko pa kukunin kasi hindi pala hinog lahat. Ayan, oh. Uy, ito na. Ayan, ipik natin to. Ayan, ipik na lang natin. Antayin na lang natin mahinog. Ayan, oh. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Sandali. Oh, so good. Ah! Agoy, ang phone ko nahulog. Ay, shoot. Morning. Alright. Alright, grabe. Oh, start na tayo. Yan. Yan. Salamat, guys. Ayan, dami.